In today's video, we're going to get into lesson 11, which is going to be words and phrases in Mandarin for transportation. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Empathetic Wanderers. My name is Jeff, and on this channel I give you ways to deepen your travel experience, hopefully access otherwise inaccessible situations when traveling abroad. And one of the best ways I feel like you can do that is through learning a language. So if you have seen my videos before, you know that I currently live in Japan and am learning Japanese here at a language school. But in the past, I have learned languages before. I grew up learning Spanish, and I lived in China for a few years, so I speak Spanish, Mandarin, and Japanese. In today's video, we're going to get into lesson 11 of Mandarin, which is going to be focused on words and phrases that you can use related to transportation. So if you enjoy language videos, if you like vlogs on East Asia and the like, definitely hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the content that I put out there. And let's get to the video. Train in Mandarin is 火车, 火车, 火车. So 火 is fire and 车 is car, so it's a fire car. 火车. Car, as I mentioned with train, car in Chinese is 车, 车, 车. Taxi in Mandarin is 出租车. 出租车. So 出租 is rent and 车 is car, so it's a rental car basically, sort of. Train station in Mandarin is just train and then, well, station. Enlightening. It's 火车站, 火车站. So as I mentioned before, train is 火车, and then 站 is station. So 火车站, 火车站. The verb to go in Mandarin is 去, 去, 去. It's important to know in Mandarin there are no conjugations. So it's not like Spanish or Japanese where you have to conjugate verbs depending on who you're talking about. There is none of that in Mandarin. So to go is 去. To say where is the train station, you would say 火车站在哪里? 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 火车站 is train station, 在 is to be, 哪里 is where. 火车站在哪里? Where is the bathroom is the same form as where is the train station. You just switch out train station with bathroom. The word for bathroom is 洗手间. 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 洗 is wash, 手 is hand, and 间 is room. So it's a hand washing room. So the whole sentence for where is the bathroom would be 洗手间在哪里? 洗手间在哪里? If you are not sure whether or not they have a bathroom, or you'd like to ask if there is a bathroom rather than where is the bathroom, you would say 有一个洗手间吗? 有一个洗手间吗? 有 is to have, 一个 is one, 洗手间 is bathroom, and 吗 is the question word. So one more time, it's 有洗手间吗? An affirmative answer, a yes in Mandarin is, well, there's a lot of ways to say it, but just the basic is 对, 对. And then, so it's very difficult to explain because there's a lot of ways to say yes and no, and it usually depends on the verb that you've used in the past. So technically no is 不信, 不信. But typically what's responded to a person is in direct relation to what you've asked. So if you're asking the question from the previous thing I just taught, which is where is the bathroom? 洗手间在哪里? Or is do you have a bathroom? 有一个洗手间吗? So 有 is the verb there. So if the person was saying no, we do not, like no, we don't have a bathroom, they would just say 没有, 没有. Ne is negation, and yo again is that same word that means to have. 没有. So when you're at the train station or you're at a bus station or something like that and you want to go to a different city, let's say you want to go to Beijing, you can just walk up to the window and say 我要去北京. 我要去北京. So 我 is I, 要 is to want, 去 is to go, and then you just put the name of the city that you're going or the place that you're going. So it's just 我要去 place, 我要去北京, 我要去上海, and so on and so forth. To say that you want a round trip ticket, if you want to say round trip ticket, the word for round trip ticket is 来回票. 来回票. 来 is to come, 回 is to return, and 票 is ticket. So 来回票 is round trip ticket. One way is 单程票. 单程票. All right, well, that is going to wrap up our video here on Mandarin words and phrases for transportation. If you enjoyed that video, definitely hit that like button. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you wish I had gone in more detail with, or if there's a particular topic you'd like me to go over in Mandarin. And if you like language videos, if you like content on East Asia, Japan specifically, as I live in Japan, definitely hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the content that I put out every single week. I will put a link to the playlist for the rest of my Mandarin videos, so if you haven't seen the other ones, definitely catch up on those. But let's just keep being empathetic, let's keep wandering, keep spreading positivity, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
新宿渋谷方面行きが参ります。In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us.